Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting HTML tables into HTML files to Markdown files. You can see on my computer I have a US HTML file. It's in my documents and I can open to show you what is inside. And inside there is a table with data for US states from Alabama to Wyoming, and also contains information about state code, region, subregion, and I'm gonna convert all this information into Markdown with application. I will download this application from my website. This is my website. To find app, I'll click on search and type Markdown to find or Markdown apps, and I click on this export to my Markdown and HTML table to Markdown, and it's this one. And I click on download button to download archive. I will be recording more videos on Markdown and conversion to Markdown format and different applications to how to convert to Markdown format. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We're waiting for archive to be downloaded from Google Cloud. You can see it has been downloaded. I'll just click to open. Double click on the MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see new application has been installed on my desktop. I have a new shortcut. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now, conversion is 3 steps process. In first step, we have to add HTML file. Step 1, select input HTML file. I'll click on this button, navigate to my US states HTML, and click on open. And on next, here I can specify which columns I would like to convert to Markdown. So sometimes I can convert all columns, and sometimes I can select just different ones if I want to, like some specific ones. Also, if my HTML table contains column names as the first row, then it normally does, so I will just keep it checked. Click on next step. Here I can preview my Markdown. You can see it comes out pretty nice, so I can just save result as a text file. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay, just click save. And file has been saved. Now let's go to GitHub and just see if our file is correct. Let's open. I did my previous test. Let's delete it. So delete everything, commit, make sure it's empty, and then edit again. And let's open our text file we created. It's HTML table to Markdown. Hit Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, close it. Go to GitHub, Ctrl+V, commit changes, and you can see we have a nice table with all data converted, with all states and all columns, and all states from Alabama to Wyoming has been converted. And basically you can use this application from command line. If you just specify like application .exe files and like HTML file and then output file, it will automatically convert it. So if I want to schedule like conversion on schedule basis, or like if I want to convert all HTML files to Markdown, I can do that as well from command line. I will have to write it for add every file to application. However, I can add like multiple files here, and I can add URL if I want to. When I add multiple files, it creates one large Markdown document with all tables in it. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.